Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. Today in the studio I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of silver can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, it has already made a half around $54.5. Okay, after that there is a continuous fall we have seen. Okay, and looking at this particular fall, we have seen the price after touching a high, it has come down towards a level of $45.6. Okay, you can see it is almost $10 fall, around $9 fall you have seen the price after touching this particular high, and it is in just you can say in a week or two. Okay, and what we can see looking at this particular chart now, that it is trying to create a similar pattern what we have seen in the gold. Okay, now if the price keep moving over this level, probability will be very high, it can touch a level of $54. Okay, at this level we can see profit booking can comes. Okay, but if the price keep moving over 54, there is a higher chances that it can cross above a level of 54.7. This is what we can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Look at this particular chart, $51.6. Okay, and if the price keep moving over this particular level, and what we can see, if it started going over 52, probability of crossing 53 will be there, and if the price going above this level, a further upside can be seen. Okay, now if the price started coming down, you have to understand that if the price started going below 49.3, from there a bounce back can be seen. Okay, but if the price didn't bounce back, we can see it will, or it can move further down. Okay, now what you see, if I'll show you a dollar index also, you'll understand, because dollar index and silver and gold are inversely related to each other. Index, it is moving below a level of $100. Okay, and what we have seen, that it is at a strong resistance, from there a bounce back can be seen. Okay, so if the price started falling below this particular level, we can see it will come down towards a level of 97.5 after crossing 98.5, and a further fall can be seen. But if it started going above a level of 100.2, we can see there will be a rise. As I have already explained you that they are both inversely related to each other. Okay, coming back again on the silver price, what we can see, so let's see if the price started sustaining. Suppose if the price keep moving over this level, it can touch today's high of around $51.9, and if the price moving above that particular level, we can see it will move further upside, which is a next resistance, that is the resistance 2 coming at a level of $52.3. Okay, this is a resistance 2, and once the price moving above that particular level, a further upside can be seen towards $52.5, which is a resistance 3, and if the price moving above that particular level, chance of touching 52.8 can be there. It's a resistance 4. Okay, and once started sustaining above this level, probability of touching 53.1 can be there, and from there a further upside can be seen towards $53.6. This is what we can see. Okay, and suppose if that sustain, a further upside can be seen towards $54.3. Okay, now if that sustain, a further high can be seen towards all-time high, and then a further upside. Best what you can do, you can trail your SL by $0.5. Okay, and if that sustain, we can see a further upside. But suppose if the price started coming down, what we can see, suppose if it started coming down, we can see the price can move further low towards a level of around $51.16, and if the price falling below that particular level, chance of touching 50.8 can be seen. Okay, so if the price started going below 51.16, we can see a level of 50.8, and if that didn't sustain, we can see the price can touch towards 50.5. This is a support 1, support 2, and support $3. Okay, why I'm telling you all these supports, because from all these levels we can see a bounce back. But if this didn't bounce back, we can see this level. If this didn't bounce back, we can see this particular level, and once started falling below this level, a further fall can be seen towards, after this level 50, we can see level $49.2. This is very important. From there a bounce back can be seen. This is a strong support. Okay, and if the price started going below this level, a further fall can be seen. Okay, so you have to understand this was a narrow pattern. I have told you that if the price started going 49, a further upside can be seen, and if the price started falling below this level, we can see it will started coming down, and chance of going below a level of 48 can be seen, and then further low will be there. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me, or given the mail ID is also in the description. Always try to trail your SL mostly by 0.3 if the movement is like this, and put your SL whenever you start to trade. This is very important.